Well, first of all, if you're doing this, because you can do it on any platform, so .com or anything like that. So, but you need to have a professional selling account to do that. That's the first thing, to ship FBM. Given that you've got that, it's dead easy. It's in your settings menu. You go to shipping in your settings menu, and it's on there. What you're going to do is you're going to set up a new shipping template. Now, I will post in the group the steps to do that. But it's really easy to do. You create a new shipping template. You leave all of the values as 0, so it's no cost for the shipping. And then you assign your products, your ASINs, to the new shipping template. So it's really very simple to do. I will post in the group the specific steps to do that, so you've got it laid out for you, Karen. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.